Welcome back to Math Maintenance. Today we are going to cover a couple more subtraction story problems. You'll have a chance to practice on your own, and then you'll have a chance to practice with a digital activity as well. Our first story problem of the day says this: 6 people bought popsicles. 3 bought orange. The others bought grape. How many people bought grape popsicles? So here's my question. I want to know how many people bought grape popsicles. Then I go back in my problem and I look for what information I know. I know that 6 people all together bought popsicles. Maybe today I'll use some visuals. So here's my popsicles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 3 bought orange popsicles. So if I'm trying to figure out how many grape popsicles there were, I know for sure that 3 of these were orange ones. So those ones can't possibly be grape. So I could do this problem 6 minus 3, and that would tell me that I have 3 popsicles that I'm not sure of the flavor on. Now I have to make sure that those ones are grape. What if some of them are actually cherry? So 6 people bought popsicles. I drew that out. 3 bought orange. Drew that out. Did my problem. That leaves us 3 that we don't know. The next part says the others bought grape. Whew. So now I know for sure that of the 6 people who bought popsicles, the ones that didn't buy orange bought grape. So 6 total minus the 3 orange ones leaves us with 3 grape popsicles. Our next problem has puppies in it. Laura had 12 puppies. 4 of them were brown. 3 were white. The rest were spotted. How many had spots? So what I'm trying to figure out is how many of those puppies had spots. I'm going to use a visual again. I'm not very good at drawing puppies, so instead of puppies, I'm going to represent puppies just by circles. I know I started with 12 puppies. Okay. 4 of those puppies were brown. I don't have a brown marker, so I'm just going to put a B for brown. If I want to know how many puppies I have left right now, I could do the subtraction problem. 12 minus 4. And that would tell me that I have 8 puppies that I still have to figure out what color they are. This word problem's a little bit tricky because instead of putting the number for one of them, they put the word. 3 were white. 3 puppies were white. I'm going to put a W for white. So of the 8, I need to take away 3 more. That leaves 5 puppies that I'm still not sure what color they are. The rest were spotted. Oh, so now I can see in the story problem that it tells me they were either brown, they were white, or they were spotted. I'm going to put an S for spotted. 5 spotted puppies. Sometimes when we're working through word problems, it's helpful to draw the picture and label what we know so that we can see what we're still trying to find out. You can use that strategy today if you choose in completing your subtraction story problems page. There's enough space right here that you could kind of draw visual pictures like I did to help cross off things, label things, or mark things so that you know what it is that you're trying to solve. All 6 of these today are subtraction problems, so you are always looking for the total you start with, how much you're taking away, and what does that leave left. Your digital practice for today is a donut page. It'll show you how many donuts you started with. Some of them will be crossed off because somebody took a bite out of them, so you can't sell those ones anymore. And then you will fill in the subtraction problem of how many donuts are left without a bite. Your manipulative practice today is to continue with those subtraction flashcards. Are you getting good? Are you getting fast? Are you getting them right every time? Good luck.